Hello and welcome to Anglia Car Auctions. You join me in the hall here with a very exciting project that's just arrived. And Andrew, you're the owner.
I am.
Thank you very much. Thank you for bringing it in. What an amazing Cosworth. Now, as I say, we like a Cosworth here at Anglia Car Auctions. We've had some great results in the past with them. This is another exciting one for our November sale on the 2nd and 3rd of November. Now, Andrew, I know you've had this car a very long time. I believe it was registered in January 87 and you've had it since December 87,
yes.
So amazing history, really, really amazing. Why did you buy it?
Because at the time I'd seen them on the television and they're winning everything, and I happened to go into TC Harrison's in Peterborough and they had a black one for sale, and I was looking around and I thought, that's the car I want, because 150 miles an hour motor compared with the Porsche in the papers,
yes,
which were 32,000 and these were 15,995, and I thought, I've got to have one of them.
You couldn't not. Yeah.
I had to have one.
But it would be fair to say maybe you're not I say traditional Ford fan. You like your Fords, but a lot of these cars we have really sort of Ford enthusiast owners, but this just caught your eye because, as I say, it was the fastest thing at the time.
At the time.
And you wanted it.
And I was younger.
And you
I was younger.
Well, there you go. But
Bit of speed cameras.
Yes, yeah, I think that was back in the day when maybe, could we say that you could get away with it slightly more?
I think you did. Well, I certainly did.
We'll keep that bit quiet maybe, but a really, really exciting project. Now, obviously, the astute amongst you will see there is some fire damage. Tell me a little bit about that.
Well, about a year ago, I decided that I was going to sell it because I was getting less and less use out of it. Hadn't had it on the road for about 6 or 7 years probably then. And the day it was due to go to auction, unfortunately, it just decided it didn't want to leave me.
It didn't want to leave.
Flames from the bonnet, and you see the result.
I mean, obviously, it must have been a shock, and I say it's such a tragedy it's happened. But there is some good news with it. You caught it in time, and it's luckily very limited. We'll just have a quick peek under the bonnet. You'll see, as I say, structurally does seem to appear all good. Obviously, cosmetically and as I say, parts-wise, there are going to be bits, you know, that will need sorting. But it's a really, really exciting project. And the important thing is, as I say, we'll have a quick peek inside as well. Look how original the car is. You've kept it original. You haven't
Absolutely.
done since the day you bought it.
Absolutely.
You've kept it original. Seats are all really nice still. Dash is really good. Have a look at that dash dial. As I say, they usually all split in half, and this one is pretty good. I think this one will really, really gain some attention at auction. And I know you'll be sad to see it go, Andrew.
Oh, very, very sad.
It's part of...
Been with me a long while. We've been together a long while.
Been together a long while. It's part of the furniture, isn't it?
Yes.
Have you had some fun with it, though?
I've had loads of fun with it. When I was younger.
When you were younger.
When I was younger.
But that's the important thing.
Oh, to own one was, unbelievable.
And the fact you can say you've owned one.
Yes, exactly.
Not many people can say. I think this one's going to really gain some attention at auction. We had another exciting project in a couple of sales back. That one was an interesting one actually, because it'd been a barn find, but speaking to the vendor at the time, he'd done everything mechanically to it, and we guided that keenly because it needed a little bit of bodywork and bits and pieces. I think we did 28 to 34 on that, and including premium made 50. This one we're guiding around the 20 mark, so I think that's going to be a really interesting one to see what happens on the day. Will you be here on the sale day?
Probably not. Probably not.
No, it's one of those things. Sometimes I think it can be hard to watch in a way, but also you can watch it online as well, so you can see live on the day. Those at home also, you can watch it live online. You can be here on the day. Either or, we love to see you, so please come up and have a look. We have our viewing days as well, which are the Thursday and Friday before the auction, and on the sale days too, so you can come and have a look. Please do, we love to see you. And I say, keep an eye out, there's plenty more cars coming on the website. It's 2nd and 3rd of November for the sale days, but keep an eye out on the website because we've got plenty more coming up. And we'll
put it in your hands.
Leave it with us. Thank you very much, Andrew, and we'll do our best for you. Thank you.